What's going on, traders? Welcome back to a brand new video. Celestin Capital here, and we are live, guys, with a brand new series. As you can tell by the title of the video, Top Step Takeover. This is mission Top Step Takeover, guys. What that means is that we are going to work on getting funded fully with Top Step. Now, the reason I switched from Apex to Top Step is because mainly the trailing drawdown. All right, with Apex, you have a daily trailing drawdown where it follows you even during the day, throughout the day. Now with Top Step, it follows you at the end of the day, which is a lot better, which is more like the traditional prop firms that we used to trade with the Forex prop firms that we used to trade with. The prop firm wasn't dynamic. It never followed you. It was just static. At the end of the day, actually, the Forex prop firms didn't follow you. It was just 10%. Even if you were up 15%, it stayed minus 10%. But anyways, Apex has a daily trailing drawdown where it follows you every single dollar. All right, with Top Step, it's end of day. With Apex, it's live or actual. It follows you every single dollar, whatever the case is. If you know, then you know. If you trade with Apex, then you know what I'm talking about exactly. Like, you could be in a trade. The trade could push up. It could be halfway to your TP. And if the trade comes back down and touches your break even, you may lose your accounts. I hate that. That's what, besides me not following my trading plan, I would have had a lot more wiggle room if the trailing drawdown was there. So I'm trading with Top Step right now. And like I said, theirs is not a trailing drawdown like Apex is. It's at the end of the day. They calculate if you're up or down, and then they calculate the drawdown based off of that. Enough of that. Let me get into the accounts. Let me get into the trade breakdowns that I have for you guys. Like I said, this is a brand new series that I'm doing with Top Step. So far, 2 accounts I'm working on. I think you get a maximum of 5 accounts with Top Step. So they're 50Ks, like I said. And we're going to work towards getting 550Ks after we get 550Ks. Because that's the end goal that I want, 550Ks. And then we'll move on to Apex. Because I think, Apex is top of the line when it comes to prop firms. So you can see right here that we made about $1,400 today, 1366 to be exact. And I'll show you guys the TradeOvate statistics as well, just so, again, my channel is based on transparency. I want to show you guys everything. So I logged into this TradeOvate thing, and you can see right here. Let me show you guys where is it? All right, there we go. Performance Center. Actually, it's already open. Performance Center right over here. Today, yes, 1375. You can see off of 2 trades that we took. And I'll show you guys why I took 2 trades. So that's that. Let me log out of this and show you guys the 2 trades that I took. You can see this is one account, and the other account is right over here. That's the second account right here. So let me go ahead and get into the trade breakdown. The first trade was on SPX. It was on S&P, or ES in futures terms. So initially, the daily is bullish. We took out this low. We fell to displace below this low. Instead, we manipulated, and you can see this huge wick to the downside. So because this high failed to do its job, we are aiming for this high. From the 4 hour, all I'm looking for are imbalances. Imbalances in price. Fill of those imbalances and a continuation up. In this case, we had an imbalance right in between here with price. Imbalance right in between there with price. As you drop down further, look at the 15-minute. You can see same thing happened. The same thing that happened on 4 hour happened on the 30-minute and 15-minute. On the 30-minute, it wicked below, and it seemed like it didn't want to. It seemed like it didn't want to go under it. It seemed like it didn't want to displace under it. So same with the 15-minute. Like I said, 15-minute, we took out this low. We didn't want to close below it. You can see the next candle. Watch one of these candles. This candle, it looked like price wanted to go down, and I'm sure this activated a lot of sellers into the market. This put a lot of sellers into the market. And then look what happens. The very next candle, we close right up above the low again. So it's showing, like I said, that price does not want to go lower. So at this point, let me show you the 30-minute. At this point, we're just looking for price to continue to the upside. We're looking for price to continue to the upside. We go back a bit. Look on 2-minute. There's a nice 2-minute imbalance. Wait for price to tap into that. And not only that, if we drop down to the 1-minute, there was an imbalance in price right below here, right down here. Price tapped into that. Where's the last high? This is the last high. All I'm waiting for now is for price to break above that high. And we did with this candle. So at this point, I'm in the trade. At this point, I'm in the trade. Boom. Price did its thing and continue to the upside. Boom. At the end of the day, price sold off hard. We were looking for price to take out this high. But again, I took TP. I take TP at 1 to 3. So no need to force price up here unless I'm on a flip account or something. I would have held it. And you can see I would have lost or break even. I definitely wouldn't have made any money. But going into next week, we're still looking for price to come take out this high. All right, we're going to look for imbalance and some price for price to take out this daily high. Now on silver, this was the second trade we took. The reason we took 2 trades is, again, first of all, because this is a challenge. And because I was only making about, I only made about 750 or 1,000 on this. And I wanted to get as close as possible to the daily limit, which is 1,500. Again, I don't want to waste much time with challenges. With the live accounts, I'll be patient, but with challenges, I'm good. Time is very valuable and I don't want to waste it. So on the 4 hour, same thing, but on the opposite end, take out the high, we close inside the range. Now I was looking for some kind of imbalance in price. I couldn't find any kind of imbalances within price. I went to the 5-minute, 15-minute, whatever, couldn't find any imbalances. So what I did was I used the last high that caused the move down. The last high was this 15-minute order block. Waited for price to tap into the order block. We tapped into it around 10:14. And you can see we closed below the low. At this point, I'm in the trade. Boom. Now I got out over here because, again, I didn't want to make more than 1,500. I wanted to get as close to 1,500 as possible without going over it. So 1,400 is where I pulled out. 13 something was where I pulled out. And like I said, I got out somewhere over here on the trade. So TP was hit. Boom. But, actual TP got hit as well. If we play this out, this is a beautiful 1 to 3. And if this was a live account, I definitely would have held it. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful trade. And that ended off the week. I took these trades on Friday, and that was the week. So I'm still looking for price to take out this 4-hour low. So going into next week, I'm looking for price to take out this 4-hour low. And yeah, I'm glad you guys are sticking with me on the journey. Like I said, this is TOPSTEP Takeover. We are looking to get funded and payouts with TOPSTEP, and then we'll move on. We'll move back to Apex once we get more capital, because that's really what I need. I need more capital in order to invest into Apex, because Apex is a lot harder to get the payouts because of the trailing drawdown. But nonetheless, we're going to make it work. We never quit. We never give up. I appreciate you guys once again for sticking with me, and I will see you guys in the next video.